Hi there, this is Angela doing another video on averages. So here we have a non-calculator question. It's Mrs. Jones' class test and they were out 40. So you can see there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people taking this test. So here we have their results. So work out the mode, I'll let you do that. Work out the median, I'll let you do that. Work out the range, I'll let you do that. Watch the previous videos, they'll help you. Now we've got this pass mark of 75%. So we need to know what 75% of the test mark was. So here we've got a class test of 40 marks. So 75%, now we haven't got a calculator, so it's easier to put it as a fraction. So remember that 75% is 3/4. So we've got to find 3/4 of 40 marks. So you may remember that you divide by the bottom of the fraction and times by the top. So we're going to divide first because it makes it smaller and then easier to multiply. So 40 divided by 4 is 10, and then 10 times 3 is 30. So the pass mark is 30 on the test. So the question is saying how many students passed. So we need to go back to our list. So how many of them got 30 or above? So this person did, this one did, this one did, that one and that one. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. So 5 students passed. Hope that helpful. That's it. Good luck. Bye.